This is Sriram here from A to Z Arts and Crafts, and today we have the unboxing of WLtoys Brave Pro, which runs at 70 kilometers per hour speed. You could imagine this car running at 70 kilometers per hour speed. It's a really amazing speed. And thanks to Benur.com for sponsoring this product. If you want to buy this product, please do buy by clicking the link in the description. Before unboxing, let's just check on the outer box. So it does say 70 kilometers per hour speed. That's from WLtoys. And it does say here that you can run this car on mountains, rocks, desert, and even off-roading. So I believe these are the different variety of cars that you get from WLtoys. From the box, you could see that a really cool looking RC car with a beautiful remote control. So let's open the box. So here we have the car. This actually looks like a Chinese cabbage for me. I don't know, I might be funny, but it does look like a Chinese cabbage. So let's try to open this. Okay, they do have a manual at the bottom. Let's open this up. Alright, so they should get our car outside. Okay, and let's get the remote control. Okay, we have that, and there is one more box here. So get inside. I think this is pretty much empty now. So close it off. Let me just open this. So this is the charger. So you can see charger for lithium battery pack. So this is the one that will be used for charging the lithium battery that goes inside the car. So it's pretty lightweight, so you could see the charge and power indicators as well. Though this car looks a bit small in size, but it's really pretty much heavy. I can really feel the weight in my hand. The wheels are soft, but still has a lot of grip in that. So it's individually four-wheel driven car. So you could see the bottom of this. Pretty solid material. It's really very solid. So it's not like a very delicate one. It's very solid base what they have. It's individual suspension. And it's the same for the back wheels as well. Alright. So this is the manual what they have. So let's quickly open the manual, and these are the tools to open the wheels. So I think like you got to put it like this and twist it to open. So I'm not going to open it right now. So this is the user manual for using this RC car. So safe and caution, troubleshooting, instruction to common tools, practice and maintenance, assembling and everything. So they are given the details of each and every part of it. So how to go forward, backward, and again how the motor has been connected. So that is the link to the motor, the way they have connected it. This is indicating the shock absorb manual, which gives a clear picture on how each and everything has been used and build this car. Even they have given the product link if something is damaged, that you could actually buy it. Sale parts view. So basically I think you can get this individual parts as well. So that's a pretty good manual with all the needed information. This is the remote control. It looks fantastic and it has an excellent grip in the hand. It says like power radio control, and this is the power button, and this is trim, and you have an antenna as well. So very nice with beautiful grip. This is the top of it, how it looks, pretty shiny finish, which says WLtoys. So to open, you got to push it like this, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's just slide in and gently push it. So if I push this, so it indicates the power is on. So let's open this and see how it is. Okay, I just remove. You just have to pull this pin out. Okay, and you could take this out. So it has a pretty solid and looks it's a powerful motor. So let me just try to open it and see. So it's 1500 mAh battery. So let me just show you. It says please turn off the power switch and unplug the battery connector after use. 1500 mAh battery. So this is the motor. It has an on off button. This we need to connect to the battery, and once we connect this, I think we should be good to play around. Okay, so let's just put the battery back in place. Let's strap it. Oh, I think this is for charging. Connect the motor and close the cap. Okay, let's turn on the motor. You can see the red light glowing there. Okay, so let's cover the box again. Okay, so it's all set to go. You can see it's powered on now.